This is how I wired up a push button that goes down to an outlet for a recirculation pump. I've got it set to 5 seconds right now just for testing. But the most important part is to get that light. It's going to be mounted in the vanity. It's going to be upstairs away from the pump downstairs. You're not going to hear the pump. That's kind of the whole point. But I want that light to be on as long as the timer's on, so that I've got that feedback to know when the timer is stopped. I don't want an aquastat. I don't want proximity sensors. I don't want anything smart. I just want it to turn on the pump for a certain amount of seconds, and I'll figure out about how much it takes to run a 3/4 inch dedicated recirc line with a 10 gallon per minute pump. I'll put the pump model down in the description if you're interested in that too. But I'm thinking it's going to be in the 15 to 25 second range to get that much water through that recirculation line. And again, not measuring temperature, but I will say the cable I bought to extend this up is an 8 conductor in case I need to do anything added to it later, like sensing temperature or anything like that. This is a terminal block, got it from Amazon. It comes with little jumpers, which is kind of fun. So I've got this jumped here, so it's basically like these black wires are all tied together. These red wires, this wire, and this wire all tied together, and then these are just straight across. So you wouldn't have to have this, but it's kind of nice, and I do plan to, disconnect this, and I've got a 100-foot cable. I'll put that in the description below too, to extend this out. Again, I only need 4 wires for now, which are 2 for the switch and 2 for the light, but I've got 4 extra in case it's needed later. This is a solid state timer off delay. And so what off delay means is when you push it, you can push and hold it and it won't turn off. It'll just stay on. As soon as you release is when that timer starts. And I'm okay with that because I just want to keep it simple. I don't want to be programming anything. And most of the time I'm just going to be pushing it like this. And so that 1 second push, it's not really that fine-tuned. It's okay. And if I want to push it and hold it, it's not really a feature to push and hold. It's more just the way it is. So this is a solid state off delay timer, and it's all 24 volt VAC for the control voltage. The control voltage actually comes off of this. This is a relay that ties into the top of the box, and it's got a built-in transformer. And that transformer is 24 volt VAC, because that's common household voltage for controls like your furnace and your doorbell and things like that. So the model number with a T, I think, is what says that it's got that transformer built in. 120, make sure you get 120 because they come in 240 version also. This has plenty of amperage because it's made for like a baseboard heater. And so there's plenty of amps. It's a solid relay. A little pricey. It's on the $60 to $70 range for this. I got it from Amazon. This I got from eBay. I couldn't find it on Amazon, at least this model, this exact model number. They make other model numbers where you can turn it and go to like 600 seconds. So what is that, 300 seconds? So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. They make other models. I got the 60-second range because I think I'm not going to need more than 60 seconds to turn the pump on. Again, I'm not sensing heat. I'm just basically going to run it for 25 seconds, and that's probably going to be good enough. So I wanted to show this, and I'll put links off to where I bought it, but they're not affiliate links or anything like that. But just so you get an idea of what this is and where you could buy it. This button I got from Amazon, this is the cheapest thing. It was like $8. And I'll probably buy a few extras because I'm not sure how much it'll hold up, but it is said to be waterproof, so we'll see about that. But yeah, if you could thumb up the video, that would probably help with the search engines. Again, I looked for some simple setup without any Arduinos and not any smart devices, and something that was relatively inexpensive, about $100 for this setup, and I couldn't find anything, so that's why I'm posting the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll try to answer you.